clever parrot and the grumpy elephant. Once upon a time, in a lush green forest in ancient India, there lived a clever parrot named Cuckoo. He was known for his quick wit and colorful stories, which he shared with all the animals in the forest. One day, a grumpy elephant named Debu came to live in the forest. Debu had a habit of stomping around angrily, knocking down trees, and scaring away the other animals. Cuckoo decided to teach Debu a lesson and bring some laughter to the forest. He gathered his friends, the mischievous monkeys, and devised a plan. The monkeys were excited to help Cuckoo, as they too wanted to see Debu's mind. The next day, as Debu stomped around the forest, Cuckoo flew down from a tree and landed on Debu's head. Debu was startled and demanded to know who dared to sit on his head. "I'm Cuckoo, the clever parrot, and I'm come to tell you a story," said Cuckoo. Debu grumbled but decided to listen. As Cuckoo told the story, he exaggerated the lion's antics, making Debu chuckle. The monkeys were hiding in the saw Debu laugh and began to play catch. They swung from the branches and tickled Debu's ears with long nose. Debu couldn't help but laugh at their antics. As Debu laughed, he realized that he had been so focused on his anger that he had forgotten how good it felt to laugh and have fun with others. He thanked Cuckoo and the monkeys for reminding him of the joy that laughter brings. From that day on, Debu became a much happier elephant. He stopped knocking down trees and scaring away the other animals. Instead, he spent his days playing with the monkeys and listening to Cuckoo's stories. The entire forest was filled with laughter and joy. The animals learned that laughter and friendship have the power to transform even the grumpiest of creatures. They also understood the importance of being kind and understanding towards others, even when they may not seem very friendly at first. And so, Cuckoo the clever parrot, Debu the once grumpy elephant, and their friends live happily in the forest, spreading laughter and joy wherever they went. The moral of the story